At Lovely Professional University, education doesn't stop at classrooms. It takes flight, literally. 8 students, 1 dream. To build a rocket that could fly higher than expectations. The team wasn't just launching a rocket, they were competing at the In-Space Model Rocketry India student competition conducted by the Aeronautical Society of India.
When it all started, it was just an idea, a rocket named PINAKA, after Lord Shiva's bow.
We had no ready-made kits. We designed everything from scratch. Ejection system, body, avionics.
1.5 years of work, 5 months just to build it. Carbon fiber, 3D printing, pure passion.
The competition was tough. Over 80 teams from across India. Only 40 made it through the preliminary design review. Then came the CDR, the final test of innovation.
LPU team making a rocket.
That's when we started building the real rocket inside the innovation studio. Days turned into nights.
From carbon fiber fabrication to servo-based ejection systems, the team broke convention, creating India's most lightweight rocket weighing just 7 kilograms.
While others used pyro ejection system, we built electrical ejection system. No damage, no risk, just precision.
Our rocket flew past 1 kilometer, perfectly deploying a CanSat, a satellite in the shape of a soda can.
We were representing India, representing LPU, and we won. We met scientists from NASA, attending the workshop at Air Force Base. It still feels unreal.
And through it all, LPU stood beside us, funding the project, mentoring our growth, and proving what EduRevolution truly means.
When innovation meets opportunity, education takes off.